हम लोग चाहते हैं कि सामान्य जैसे जैसे किसी बीमार को भी डर नहीं जाना है, को कोई भी डॉक्टर देख नहीं पाए हैं और खोज नहीं पाए हैं। चार साल से राजेश्वरी को फोड़े निकल आ रही है, तब से हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि ये राजेश्वरी को क्या बीमारी कैसे है।
9-year-old Rajeshwari lives with a very rare condition that has caused extreme stone-like blisters to form all over her body.
जागेश्वरी चल नहीं पाती है, इसके मम्मी और इसकी छोटी बहन को साथ लेकर कहीं भी पानी हो चाहे नहाने हो जाती है, बहुत दिक्कत है।
Due to the unusual appearance of her skin, the pain she experiences because of it isn't the only problem this 9-year-old is having to live with.
बच्चे डर जाते हैं और उसके बाद ना राजेश्वरी के घर में नहीं जाओ, इस बीमार और फैल जाएगा, तुम लोगों को भी फैल जाएगा, इस तरह बच्चे को चला देते हैं।
Up until now, there's been no treatment available for her condition. But today, she will finally be seeing a specialist in the hope of finding something that might help alleviate some of the worst symptoms.
लोगों को इस बीमारी के बारे से मालूम नहीं है, तो इसको कहाँ ले जाकर इलाज करेंगे, इस तरह हम लोग हमारा इसीलिए जिला अस्पताल तक लाए हैं। बीमार को कोई भी डॉक्टर देख नहीं पाए हैं और खोज नहीं पाए हैं।
आराम से। She is a girl suffering from a condition, a very rare condition that is called ichthyosis.
Ichthyosis is a condition that causes widespread and persistent dry and scaly skin. Rajeshwari's case is one of the most severe.
And out of that ichthyosis, she is a biopsy-proven case of ichthyosis hystrix. That is even more rare out of all. At the time of birth, she was completely normal, but later in life, she started developing thickness of her skin. Initially, it was just a dryness and roughness, but later on, it developed into these spiky, horny lesions. It's a very rare condition. There is a process called cornification. The outermost layer of our skin is made up of dead skin. This dead tissue layer is formed excessively, and this happens due to certain mutations and genetic gene level. This patient also, she's having vitamin D deficiency. A second thing, the patient can have malnutrition due to formation of thick tissue, thick horny tissue. There can be impairment in the movement of the patient. Only thing we can do that we can give certain medicines to the patient so that the condition improves.
Despite there being no cure for ichthyosis, luckily there are treatment options which might help ease some of her symptoms.
First thing, I have prescribed the patient that a very non-soap free cleanser which will be mild to her skin, then a salt water bath. Patient has to apply those thick urea based moisturizer on her skin so that the dead skin can be removed, and most important is that we give two medicines in this patient. I've given two medicines in this patient. One is vitamin A derivative medicine, that is a retinoid, and the second one which I've given is vitamin D. Apart from these medicinal treatment, one thing I'm really concerned about is about her psychological development, since she is suffering from such a condition that is going to make her look a little odd amongst her friends and all. So one thing which is very important is a continuous psychological support, for which we can arrange certain counseling sessions to her patients, and teaching awareness of her parents also, psychologically supporting her parents also regarding this issue.
With some medication and support in place, hopefully Rajeshwari's condition will begin to improve.
शायद ठीक होगी नहीं होगी, लेकिन हम लोग इसका इलाज करने के लिए हम जारी रखेंगे और उम्मीद करते जाएंगे, ठीक होए चाहे ना होए, हम लोग डॉक्टर की सलाह लेते रहेंगे। हम लोग चाहते हैं कि सामान्य जैसे किसी बीमार को भी डर नहीं जाना है,